Hello everyone, welcome back to Moral Echo Tales. Today, we're going to explore a story about the importance of patience, thinking before acting, and the hidden power of kindness. While we listen, you'll also learn some new English words and phrases, and see how to use them in simple sentences. So, stay with us until the end. Once upon a time, in a peaceful kingdom by the river, there lived a young queen named Sophia. Sophia had just taken the throne after her parents passed away, and she was only 22. Growing up, Sophia had a wise mentor named Master Lionel, who taught her about justice, patience, and the importance of listening to others. Master Lionel was not just a teacher, but also her closest friend and advisor. He always reminded Sophia, a calm mind solves more problems than anger ever can. One year, a severe drought hit the kingdom. The river dried up, crops failed, and the people grew worried. Sophia, feeling stressed and overwhelmed, made a hasty decision. Without consulting anyone, she blamed Master Lionel for not warning her earlier, and ordered him to leave the palace forever. Master Lionel, heartbroken but respectful, quietly obeyed. He left the palace and traveled to a small village far away, choosing a humble life. He planted trees, helped villagers with their problems, and became loved and respected by everyone in the village. Even without a royal title, he found joy in helping others and spreading wisdom. Meanwhile, back in the kingdom, Sophia realized that ruling alone was much harder than she imagined. She faced difficult choices every day, and without Master Lionel's guidance, she often felt lost. Slowly, regret began to fill her heart. She understood that her decision had been made in haste, fueled by stress and frustration, rather than careful thought. Determined to make things right, Sophia sent messages across the kingdom to find Master Lionel. Weeks passed, but there was no clue of where he was. Then she remembered one of Master Lionel's lessons. Sometimes, wisdom is hidden in small, unexpected places. Sophia sent a new kind of challenge to every village: a wooden box and a letter. The letter asked the villagers to fill the box with wisdom within a month, or else with gold coins if they couldn't. The villagers, puzzled, went to Master Lionel for advice. Master Lionel smiled gently. "Wisdom cannot be collected like coins," he said. "But with patience, thought, and care, we can show its value." He carefully thought of a plan. In his quiet garden, he noticed a tiny seedling growing near his house. Day by day, he nurtured it inside the box, watering it carefully and letting it grow. Over time, it became a strong plant, filling the box completely. When the month ended, he sent the box back to the kingdom. When Queen Sophia received it, she was amazed. The box was filled with a living, thriving plant, a symbol of growth, patience, and careful planning. She instantly knew that only Master Lionel could have done this. Sophia immediately traveled to the village to apologize. Master Lionel forgave her, and together they returned to the kingdom. From that day on, Sophia ruled wisely, always remembering: don't make decisions in anger or stress. Take a moment to think calmly before acting. Kindness and patience often bring the best solutions. Today, we also learned some new words: hasty, done too quickly without thinking; overwhelmed, feeling too much to handle; nurture, to care for and help grow. Remember, learning English can be fun and easy when you listen to stories. Try new words and practice regularly. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to stay with us for the next tale, where we'll learn even more about wisdom, courage, and life lessons. Thank you for watching Moral Echo Tales, and see you in the next story.